Student, now I am going to discuss the word ITCZ, Intertropical Convergence Zone. What does it mean? And what is the importance of this word? So now let's get into video. The Intertropical Convergence Zone, known by sailors as the doldrums or the calms, because of its monotonous windless weather, is the area in which the northeast and the southeast trade winds converge. It encircles Earth near the thermal equator, though its specific position varies seasonally. And what is ITCZ? Explain. The Intertropical Convergence Zone, or ITCZ, is the region that circles the Earth near the equator, where the trade winds of the northern and southern hemispheres come together. And why is the ITCZ important? The ITCZ, Intertropical Convergence Zone, follows the sun in that the position varies seasonally. It moves north in the northern hemisphere summer and south in the northern hemisphere winter. Therefore, the ITCZ is responsible for the wet and dry seasons in the tropics. And how ITCZ is formed? The ITCZ is formed by the vertical motion largely appearing as convective activity of thunderstorms driven by solar heating, which effectively draw air in. These are the trade winds. The ITCZ is effectively a tracer of the ascending branch of the Hadley cell and is wet. The dry descending branch is the horse latitudes. And what is the another name for the ITCZ? Intertropical Convergence Zone is also called Equatorial Convergence Zone, belt of converging trade winds and rising air that encircles the earth near the equator. And where is the ITCZ found? The ITCZ is usually found within 350 kilometers of the equator, about 80 to 300 kilometers wide, and 5 inches north and south from the equator. 5 means north and south from the equator. The position of the ITCZ varies seasonally, being drawn toward the areas of the most intense solar heating. The largest seasonal migration occurs over land. And what are the characteristics of ITCZ? The Intertropical Convergence Zone lies in the equatorial trough, a permanent low pressure feature where surface trade winds laden with heat and moisture converge to form a zone of increased convection, cloudiness, and precipitation. What causes ITCZ to shift? Most rain on Earth falls in the tropical rain belt known as the Intertropical Convergence Zone, which on average lies 6 inches north of the equator. So, when the northern hemisphere warms, for example, because northern ice cover and with it the polar albedo are reduced, the ITCZ shifts northward. And what are the countries are affected by ITCZ? The ITCZ is a very large feature which circles the globe. It affects many tropical areas around the world, including territories in the southern Caribbean. The ITCZ is not stationary. It moves north of the equator during the northern hemisphere summer, bringing heavy rain to Trinidad and Tobago and Grenada. And what doldrums are called so? The doldrums is a popular nautical term that refers to the belt around the earth near the equator, where sailing ships sometimes get stuck on windless waters. That's why sailors well know that the area can be calm sailing ships for weeks, and that's why they call it the doldrums. Thank you.